Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hadin bagi bor badai kami, lagadai ke kamram jong ke sorkar, ne jong ke kenhun kepala shimti, ban penya ya ne jaka sumar, ki bor penya jong ke Community Health Center Nongklau, kila haban mat ya ke jing haki kendiat sengi balalek, namarba ki bor jong ke tenat sam boarding electric ke Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, kila wan no ya ke boarding electric, hagane ke jaka sumar jong ke sorkar, hak senong Nongklau, West Khasi Hills District. Haka jingle jurep ka kunhon jong ka Batisi TV haka sautarik mentau naiwing arjar khat kendai la ya kendo bat ki bor badai khmi ya kane ka hospital ki balaya tho baka bor jong ka MEECL nengkong kilawan otno ya ka boarding electric haki quarter jong ki nong trei haka arpo arterik benai risau balala bat haka laifo iterik jong benai risau la ot sendon saya ka boarding jong ka jaka sumar nongpang. Kadau hi jong kani ke jing onnoi ke boarding jong kani ke jaka sumar jong ke sorkar la sngutho baka dei na ke jing pensa teng ye ke jing siewe ke by boarding kabala kot palat san phusau lak shiteng nrei hadin baladon ke jing kren na ketanat ke koi ke khia bat ki board jong ke MEECL haka artarik mentau nai weng la penpoi boarding biang tang haka jaka sumar nongpang nrei ki board penya jong kani ke hospital kila kren khonyo balada ompat siew ya ke by boarding Omla bantip hagano ke por kani ke jaka sumar kala banduk biang ya ke boarding electric.
Membuat ban oma ba mentangi ya syam jing ka wei ba de ningkong ka de ka light de ka light bangin dan light ka kota de ka hospital ru ka me kalip men ka ni temen ta kala me tingim la man tete kata ba kan long kumno ka nya kata ka light de ka kota tingim yo light men ta ajin ati na do apoy tere ni khami yo light ra de kata ke ni syam janjal te ni amon kata ka problem jong kata ka light
Pwede ba kanina balik cuba mata kanina jilap kalat ginompang tentang giblem ini ginawan balik iyo gumi tayo na maka tentang ginompang ginawan sa hospital hapren ga jingdum ni ru nimla amasa ginompang wa kata hapren ga jingdum ru ni dan ba idi te baro ni sab ba ginompang kal bala te ba ka problem ko weru kalong namta ga jingdum na staff ru ni kat pa adulong ka bala ban thosho
ba ban punchai ki pat ba baro ni hangi baro apsa kun tani trai Ikam sangat yang cinta jungi wadah pedang jumbom lat jumbom dan lat dulu. Hendak wadah kata pedang jumbom lat kiwan kinong pang bunsin isyam jing bengin ai jing syakri. Marah jing dum punungin ai jing sumar kinong pang. Kata daw ni isyam jing syan marah jing bom dan lat. Di kipat ba ni ai bengin jing syakri berapsa pentah ni klampa wadah pedang jing dum lat dulu.
They cut our light, disconnect our light because we had a pending bill since I think 2009. Pending bill it's almost around 52 lakhs. So every quarterly they used to send like that disconnection notice, but from our side we used to inform our higher authority and to district also to solve the problem, but still now the problem is not solved and the bill is increasing and increasing. So last few weeks, 2 weeks before, on around last week of last month, they disconnect the quarter line first. They disconnect the quarter line first, and after that, on 30 they disconnect the hospital line. But we, upon requesting again to PTCL, they disconnect. They connect it again for the meantime. So the problem is still not yet resolved. So the problem what I know is like the payment should be it's not yet means not clear who will pay. No, there is no proper MOU like government will pay or NGO will pay. So still is the matter of higher authority to clear this thing. Exact information that, but what I know is not yet finished. Means they are still going on some process in the government and the NGOs. They are still going. They are still in the process. Whether it will, when it will finish, we don't know the exact date. So that I have no information like when it will be renewed or when it will finish. I think they're still talking in higher authority. The NGOs and government, they are dealing with that. From what I know from last 2 years is like always they used to disconnect. We used to get disconnection letter, then notice, then is always disconnect, and again we send the same disconnection letter to DMHO and to office also, and we write application to reconnection and to solve the problem. But till now they have written so many letters to DHS and higher authority to solve the problem, but till now the thing is not yet solved. And again the MPDCL, they are considering us, but they is to reconnect, but again the problem is coming every quarterly.
Jing ek bang isem hangde bang itre hangde hostel kalong kawai kalong marka electricity kembang ilati benta nadu ka arterik jong October lang ila saot nangkong ila saot yaki quarter pada den kata den sao sansngi la ot dia hostel ro te kalong ka ba yingi kinong tre hangne ban keep up but ke requirement keba ngide pan ai ke jing yarap ya ke jing ban sakri ya ki nongpang de ngi kong hostel nim dela ban tre hok ya kam haba ki jing dawa kamtam haga lait nimla ban yo alor kata wat e ki quarters ke eru kilong ke ba ini marngim la ban yo ban shed ban tiu but the ngipe ya ki infrastructure jongki quarter ru ki yit kimbyang ki yit ki bapai ha ko beslap ke ke rong chpo ki quarter jongi kamta kilong ke ba ini ban sa hakum kini ki jaga.
So upon talking with the MPDCL chief from then they have reconnect the light till today Monday because they want to come to a conclusion of whether like how will settle the payment. So this thing the NGO side or governments should talk to MPDCL whether what the solution. So they need a proper timing like when they will clear the payment. So till today they have connected. So whether I don't know whether the light will be disconnect again. So I'm not sure. So I'm still waiting for the final decision, like what they will do with regarding the payment.
Kawai ngak ban kren, kawai ke jingjia ke ba jia kelong ke jingjia ke basnosi, kelong ba hakesni ke basau macam dia, lawan harta ke por ba la syaut lai ke hospital, lawan diwi inongkha, iwan hang ni hospital, andai dah ke jimbom la ban le ya kamram ke banginde ban le hang ni nomor bundon lai, te nyimban se ni lahap no ban refer i cakwe hospital. Te nakalian jong kinongpang hoy ni singeu thu mangi kila singeu demo kila singeu dom nama arba hoy ki expect ban wan hang ne ban yo ya ting sumar ya ke bagi la expect ya bagi sayo man kapor handai hak to snipat nyimban se nakalian jong ngin hab ban refer no nak ban nyimla ban pendep ya kamram nakadaw jong kalai te lada dia kung kini case subo itu inongpang iwan itu bawan hak ni kesini atau kepol ho inang don bring berimpat jan kha lada wan kinongpang kibala jan kha kibala ke labor pain kala long ha ke benta ke ba in hap kha no iwan hang ne ngilahap ban kha no hang ne ledam don por ban refer no chawe di hospital te lada dia kung kita case te subo itu inongpang i kha hang ne ban ngimla ban pendep i kamram namar kelait te kala ban jia jingjia ke basnyo si te le jia kom kata jingjia ke basnyo si tengah kwa ban bu kene ke jingkeli ba manu ban chim ya ka responsibility ni kom ko hospital hang ne hoi kinong pang bapli kim tip kin keno ek hospital kin keno ingi kinong tre hang ne hanre le jia kom kata jingjia manu ban chim ki responsibility ngin chim mangin ngin chim ki bruk ba halor ki ba date pay ya kine ki electricity but ya ki company jong hospital te ngakarpat ya ki brigi bahalor bakin chimkhia ya kene bakin chimkhia bakin snothu ya kene ki jingdawa ya kene ki jingdon kam hapo ya hospital ban punya ya hospital kenang bangila pan kiar ya kum kita ki jingjia ki basnyu si ya opai ba ki ba wan ban yo ya ki jingira ban wan ban yo ya ke jipung ko ha hospital te kalong na kong kalong ke jingdu nong ya pai ba baro te naliang kipai ba ro sneu bha wat nam theu wat sneu bha ban sneu thu ya kane ba ya kine baro wat nam kono dang ye kinong tre dang ye hospital ban sneu thu ba kine hilong ki ba nalor ki ba ngi hangne ngimla ban le ha ka bor ka jongi kum ka bor ka jongi la persang ka bangila ban yara ban serve ban ai ka jing suman ka ba ka bangila re sneu bha wat nam theu wat nam dumok ya kinong tre hangne sneu bha sneu thu ya kane ba kane ka long nde hak ti ka jongi
Kalai kami dan late sa ka umur kaduna sa dawan patient jebo dan umra.
Tinam ta đang là trình nghiệp lại rồi ông sinh ra bạn tri đang bật được khui mà đi đu nào cả mà đi đồng cam bật khui tam nhà cả đi đồng cam mà khả năng đang đi con patient đang là trong bộ thiện đi đồng cam đang sinh ra phải đang là đi lâu. It's very difficult to run a hospital. We have so many inpatient and deliveries, and so many patients. Since many villages depend only on our hospital. There are 20 villages, so almost many patients are there in this CSC level. So without light and without water, it's very difficult us to run the services and to give our services. Our staff, they are continuously trying to give the best services. Even though there is no light, they are still on duty, and our doctors also, they are doing best. Even there is no light, there is no water, they are staying in the quarter, and they are giving their service continuously to serve the people. But unfortunately, there is no help getting from government side to solve this problem. And we are looking forward to solve this problem urgently, because otherwise very difficult. The community is suffering. So I request all the community or all the NGOs to help us to solve this problem, such that we can continue render our service to the community and the people, so that they will not affected. See, mainly the community is affecting. We staff, we are not fault. We are trying our best, but without light, how can it be possible to run a hospital like CSC? We have so many deliveries. We have inpatients, patients in market days. So difficult at night. Without light, it's not possible. So I request the government to solve this problem immediately or urgently basis, because we don't have light in quarters. How the staff will stay? There's no water. How they will survive without light? Nowadays, it's difficult. So I request government or our NGO side also to look at this matter very soonly or urgently to solve this problem.
Hakajing ekren bar ka pate CTV Dr. S Saikia ulai thuru halor ki wei pat ki jingduna jongkane ke jaka sumar nado ki kor ki bor kum ka kor x-ray ka jing bombyang ki doctor ka jingduna haga kamera pan kha khon ka jing sneu ki quarter bat ki wei ki jingduna kum ju ki jing jong ki nong trei ki badon manta hakane ke jaka sumar.
We have only one ambulance, and currently it's in working condition. But it's very old ambulance, but we repaired recently and it's working. We need a dental chair first. So the dental chair is not working since 3-4 years. It's not working. We need a dental chair, plus we need a X-ray, a functioning X-ray. So although we had the X-ray machine, but still we repaired, but still always it's getting spoiled. So we need a proper functioning X-ray and proper functioning dental equipment with chairs. And we need a extension of a labor room. Fully furnished labor room we need. Since we have very small labor room, it's very difficult to for us to serve our services. So we need a extension of delivery room plus with labor room. You can see also our hospitals and buildings and quarters are getting old and it's getting destroyed. So we request to need a immediate need of repair of quarters, hospital infrastructures and campus wall and water supply, proper functioning water supply, because water is very important. Without water we can't do anything.
Ka delivery room jungi ka red ma kalong congested ka kamnia atat ka badantong ka wei ka bed ting iban arngut langut kinumpang ha joko por imla pan aga jeskri ka babahan mar ka dantong ka wei sakawi lu kitiar giduna ni dantong sisat kitiar ma kata tang episiotomy bat ka normal delivery ru ni dantong sisat kitri ting kiban ha joko por kinumpang i haban ab imla ban kondok loi ting ru ni syam jing kitiar kim biang haban rifoi kinopang ski hospital bakham he tanah kadawa jing duna jing kitiar te kamera kalong ka bakhamnya ada kalong te subak ni kwa kapat ma bangi kwa ban yo no ta delivery room ka bakham he bakham keluit kana bing laban aga jing skri bakham bah
Penekong di misnu jenjang senja angin baba. Penekong bagi sedang menjoin angin indon kubar sangun nanti kibar boy. Di kabahan mentah kipot dari indon sedang angun. Di kampat aduban krin sedang mentah kaju hingga yang lebat apa bat apa. Di rasim jingye yang ini mentah kibar boy. Di kalian ka lobro kajing seuro kanek kaju. Nanti pun sampai join ini lakiu agreement India di kanek itu lalu ada kata mana kanek haru mentah di jenjang wanitri dan di seluruh SMGA mereka baru mentah ke lakiu hidup mati ibu ke lakiu di jenjang
Nanti warga dan pengut, enggak Indonesia tidak ada bantung dari nongsiat kin di sim penbandangi tinggal dunan yang ada setang samut. Desa selari niok dunan di Indonesia ni wakin makin yarap lem ini kin keren lem tajam ni.
Kami tinggal sim jing bang latri yang di la spus nem tanpa kaselari ro karet kajing sioti ngasngiu kia nama baik kimar kimatalu kila keu baroti ni syam jing namar jing siu ibarat ini kerpat lem ya pi ladalong kabalati sngiu bahaban ya raban pen keren ben sngiu sen ilem nak bentai jongi
bat kawin nak yang jongi kinas po indoor ko aban keren ba tenteng kakiasha kam jongi bayade ban ban ser ba tenteng gajok por ni dantang armut comment step ini dan anu dah kejuk porwan bat dressing kejuk porwan bat delivery kejuk porwan bat ki nompang tibi ru ni haban serve tentang haban petang ki bakam sistem tentang ki pat ba ki complain bangim la ban ai kejim ke kom ban serve ke berbiang ti bat gawe ru ni dan yo pharmacist tang we do pep 3 pharmacist mangi kinas ngi habalet nyaram tangka tai ko akar pat bakin dalong ke bala bakin nyaram bantung syuk staff ban la ban berbiang
Tengah Ronaliam tengah supervisor for family welfare ka berkong support yang ong jong Dr. Incha jongi ba Dr. Marshall akabede berka salary te ngi karpat yaki bapak jenis bahalor bakin da dai ka bala bat mkiu bat sakawai ro kalong ba ngi po family welfare ngi aduna staff perat ngi rantat langut KNM ibai kelak bat manga sanmo te bangin ai kata ka service ka ba pakai ki peba ka ngichan jama te ya kan ni rongi request la dai bala ban thung si bai dani armod kan bangin la ban ai kata ka jing chekri ya peba ka biang
so the medicine supply usually we get from district, so whatever available medicine in district we always get from there. If it's not available in district we don't get. So the medicine always depend on the availability of the stock in the district. So sometimes we have enough medicine, sometimes we don't get supply. So it's all depend on the district stock. So in the medicine available in district, we get all supply, both from NHM and from district stock. So we are also facing mainly with water supply problem. Since we are getting PSC water supply only one time, and that is also the tank is very small. So it's only supply one time, sometimes it don't supply, sometimes it's not even full the tanky also. So it's very difficult to run a hospital with just a small amount of water. So I request from government side and to help you all, to help us to, if we can get a 2 times water supply from PHE. It will be better, morning evening we get at least we can give a maximum service and good service to our hospital. Because the people will not affect, especially the admit patient and the staff, they will not affected with water. We have scarcity of water since the hospital is in the hilltop. We have very low amount of water in this area. Even water supply is not coming in enough to fill the tank. to fill out. So we have only one big tank, so it's not enough. So at least 2 times we need a supply. That's I requested from government side also to look at this matter. So like we have also facing the problem regarding the road. The road condition from the center to our hospital is very bad. We have a lot of potholes, due to which our vehicle are very difficult to climb up, since it's a very up. So even if we have incidents, our water supply vehicle is fall down. So and we have delivery patient, very difficult to come to the hospital because we have a lot of big potholes on the way to hospital. So I request from the government to kindly look after this matter and try to repair or construct the road immediately on the way to the hospital, especially from the main gate of the hospital to the center. So it's very bad condition. The road is very bad condition. It's a lot of potholes. We need a repair. I hope the government will look after all this problem to see the problem of our Nuclear CSE to solve all the problem of road, electricity, connection of hospital staff, water supply, such that we can give our services to the community, and the community will get all the services and will not affected. And because of maximum village depend on our hospital. So I request to solve this problem and to look after this matter. If you compare the salary of our staff compared to other hospitals, we are getting very low wages, even though we have more duties. We have double duty. Sometimes our staff have to do double duties. Our ward girls, ward boys, even group Ds, they are having very low salary. So in this low salary, very difficult to give our services in the hospital compared to others. It's very unfair. So I request we can get the wages getting the government servant. Even if you see compare the staff, this GNM salary is very low compared to other GNM in other hospital.
Abai dei ya ke salary trong staff trong yang ne kalong ke ba duna hadu kata ho yengi doktor kila siu biang yengi de kila siu biang ni kila biang andre ya ke staff hadu ki GNM ki NM ki ward girls ki ward boys ki chokidar ke jingsi jong ki kalong ke barit kata tang haki prahajar niyo hajar sa hajar ki ward girl yaki ward boy yaki ward girls te kalong ke rid nadu bagi join mantalakan usnem kimyo ya ke increment ke ba ya hab katkum ke kam ke bagi de tre te kalong ke ba siusi ba ke jingsiu bat ke kam ya hab te hoi ke marbam mardi kinang kiu man ke por andre katulopat kadang ne be kumju kat kene ke jingre ta kadau ting kerpat ya ki bahalor bakin chimkhia ya kene ban pe bakin yo ya jingsiu bagi de hok man yo
kumbala la dep krem tan kumbalo in charge Dr. Sikia kumjuri Dr. Marshall hoi ni kata ke jinge ke bangi syam mangi kum hapo endor department jungi ngidon sawot ki GNM te kita ke jinge ni syam ba ka salary jungi ka red balate ngikerpat khana ngikerpat ba bakin pet makin pentre kamlam boy kane ka salary jungi bang kumno ka di balong kamar ba ni sutho ka red balat ka salary kat kum ka jingtre ka jungi hangi
kumbala ni doctor in charge jungi Dr. Marshall bi perot jungi biru kumi ki staff ni syam jing shisha habang ya tre kan kam mari dan tong san ngot hendor ting teng dan delivery case ting kiwan ki nong pah emergency ting kiwan ki dressing ting kiwan ki dat special ni datang marwai ha duty nimla ban ai ta shikri ba ha ting happy attention ani hab ai ka shikri ki kita ki bakham lo emergency bun ting sien ki ni ki pai ba ki khnyum ngi ba nimla ban shikri ki kadau boro kadin jing duna plat jong ki staff tang kerpat ki bor ba halor ba padalong ka bala subha ban bu kita ki staff kat kum kebaya dai ba takaman pawa jong CHC bangila ban ai ta shikri ka bakham ha yu pat ba bat kum juru kawing ka ban kan ka jing siu jungi kum lo doktor shisha ki siu rut palat ini ni me hab kum ka joko menta banyen nujol ba ki bayo ko ni ki government servant sepawan nak kiu ni ke disi ngiyo tak kendiat tengi kerpat bahasa bahasa dalam kepala ina man kampen kiu ini tak disi ke bang ina banyak hap amat kiu kum kejuk ke bang ta
nak liang junga rumah kiu buat family lah ai jing keren mah te kau akam kong san ya ketika salary te kibar kini fresh ru ki yo kunjuk ko mayo mangi ki balatri slam te ngi kwa ban kerpat ya phi ki board bah jrong ba dalong kepala ba pen kiu ya ke salary joni kenang bangi ru namar kakam ta kadang khia ke jing yo akam sungi ha